Hi everybody, it's Patrick, the service manager here at Ride Time again. Today we're going to show you an alignment performed here at Ride Time. We can do all makes and models, even classic cars, so we just need these specs. Today we're going to show you an alignment on a Honda Elantra, and that's with one of our technicians, Kurt. And let's go see what Kurt's up to.
My name's Numi, and I'm about to show you how to do a four-wheel alignment on this Hyundai after we change the outer tie rod.
When we do the alignment, it's a four-wheel laser alignment. We want to make sure that we prolong the life of your tires, get the even tire wear. But even before we do the alignment, we'll actually look at the front end, the back end as well, make sure all your control arms, tie rod, ball joints, bearings, everything's good.
There's three measurements. There's caster, camber, and toe. And we're doing the toe right now, which is basically the wheels being straight or not. So now we got the right side. The right side is in the green there. That's the right side, and then of course we do the left side afterwards. And you can see that this one is in the red. So now I'm gonna go over to the other side and bring this one into the green, and that'll give us our straightaway toe. So both are in the green, and now, so that's the right and the left done. Here's the toe that I just adjusted. It was in the red, but the caster and the camber are already in the green, so I don't have to adjust them. So this one, we'll take it for a road test, and it should drive straight. So always do that to verify it. But we're in the green, so we should be good to go.
Okay, so the alignment is done. Kurt went for a test drive, everything's great. So here at Ride Time, we recommend the alignments every 15,000 kilometers, once a year, one or the other. It's a manufacturer recommendation. If you bought brand new tires, you want to make sure that you do these services with the alignment and make sure your suspension's good, because if anything, things are out and we don't have the alignment truly within, then we don't have records of it, and we can't get a warranty on a prematurely worn out tire when the services are not performed. So we want to get that done. So here at Ride Time, we can also do new cars, old cars, we do classic cars. We can do everything on this machine. It's all updated to the latest specs. So come on down and see us at Ride Time for your maintenance services, for your oil changes, for your repairs, and of course for your alignments. We'll get it done here within about an hour to an hour and a half time. If you want to wait for it, you can wait for it, or you can book an appointment. So come on down and see us at Ride Time, 87 Oak Point Highway, where we have your ticket to ride.